Assembly of the newer model MFPs is a very awkward and even painful task. Now that the duplex bulge is gone, technicians are instructed to use only the hand grips at the bottom of each machine. With MFPs weighing in at approximately 200 pounds, it's not possible to lift with your legs. It's neither safe for the technician or the machine. There must be a better way. Introducing the MFP lift. Simply place the hooks in the hand grips and pick up the MFP with a straight back. The MFP lift allows for much better communication between technicians and better visibility when lowering and connecting the machine to the paper feed unit. MFP lift, available now on eBay.